Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix subtitle delay on HBO Max. To fix the subtitle delay on HBO Max, you need to follow these steps. First of all, what you could do is, in order to fix it, so you could restart your device, close all the app, then fully restart your streaming device on computer, whichever you are using. So in my case, I'm using a browser, so you could just close the app and then restart by holding on to the side button. That might be able to fix. Apart from it, you could also ensure that the HBO Max app and your device operating system are up to date. You could go to your respective Play Store, or you could go to your device's settings as well in order to check your software update. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. To do this, you want to exit out of this page, locate HBO, and then long press, go to the app info section, and here comes the storage and cache. You could simply go ahead and click on clear storage as well as cache, and that's going to help you out to fix. Likewise, other than that, what you could do is, in order to fix it, so you could also check your internet connections. Or if nothing works out, then you could try reinstalling the app, or you could try using a different device that might be able to help. So these are a couple of things you could try in order to fix subtitle delay on HBO Max. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.